Yep, that happened. Now I know what you're thinking. An accident involving Emir's Camry? That's unheard of. But yes, it really happened. Now before we go into details on the damage, I just want to explain basically how it all went down. Luckily I hired an artist to help illustrate the scenario and help us understand, so let's take a look at that. So the picture here shows us 3 lines. 2 lanes here headed the same direction and a center turn lane indicated by the yellow lines. And over here you can see a parking lot entrance. Now you can see the lane on the left is chock full of cars. It was backed up a ways because everybody was turning left at a light way up the road, but I was planning on going straight at the light and my lane was empty. So I'm driving down my lane, going the speed limit with my hands on the 10 and the 2. Really, it looked like an insurance commercial. And this truck pulls out of the center lane trying to turn into this parking lot over here. I hit the brakes immediately, but had no time to stop, and I couldn't see him because of all the cars in that lane, so he'd really just jumped out of nowhere, and I hit him right around his front right tire. You can see the artist took care in showing exactly where he was hit. Now before we get into the damage, I just want to say real quick, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we love sharing our car journeys with you and your support would help us do a lot more of that. Now let's get into the damage. Almost everything up front was damaged. The headlight is the most obvious part, probably. Just broke the casing. The headlight works fine. The bumper is wrecked in a bunch of different spots. The grill is broken and not even the badge was spared. You can see it got knocked out of place, but hey, that's a stylistic choice. You can see the hood also got a bit crumpled up front. Both fenders were damaged. I didn't even notice the damage on the left side until I recorded this footage, but I think it's pretty clear that it got crumpled a bit in the crash. Still drives fine. His insurance estimated a little over $1,900 for the damage. Who really knows? I think it could be more, so obviously I'm gonna go get an estimate. I just wanted to make this video before I went and got it repaired, so you guys can join me on this wonderful journey of car accidents. Let's not make this a series. Appreciate you all so much for the support. I hope I answered any questions you had about the accident. Just want to say one more time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can bring you more content. It helps us out a ton. This has been Emir from PSR, and I'll see you in the next one.